Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all. It is Thursday morning. Old school soul food deal of the week, and I'm so excited about this one, y'all. I cannot even. I've been holding this thing for about a month, a little bit over a month, wanting to share it with y'all, but I've been waiting on the major discount code. I'm gonna tell y'all about it a little bit later from this company. This is an awesome company, y'all. Probably one of the best companies I ever promoted, because this is things that every one of y'all will use. They have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of items to choose from on this company, and the discount code will work with anything you buy from this company. Name of the company is olivenation.com. Olive Nation, major company, been around for years. They have absolutely everything that you want. If you're a die-hard cook like I am, this is the go-to company. They have mushrooms. They have any kind of extract you want, any kind of flavoring you want, vanilla, butter pecan, orange, pineapple, any flavoring you want that you can't find anywhere else. They have it. All kind of oils, flavored oils, coconut oil, orange oil, strawberry oil, any kind of oil you want. Got all flour. They have food coloring, dried fruits, dried nuts. It can go on and on and on. You have to go to the website, olivenation.com, and just check it out. Just take time. I can stay on their website for an hour. I'm telling you, I love this company. I love what they have. They reached out to me, and of course I really wanted to promote it, but I wanted, like any other company, a discount. They offered me a 20%. Yeah, not 5, not 10, not 15. It's a 20% discount that never expires on anything you want from their company. So they sent me out. They told me about a month ago, pick out some items, and they would send it out to me. And y'all, I forgot what I picked. I know it's some kind of flavorings. I love flavorings. So I'm gonna open this box up. I'm gonna see what this box is dated. I've had it a while here. What's the date on this box here? I ain't see the date on here. Just tell you how long I've been sitting on this thing waiting for. I didn't see the date on this. It's gotta be in a month. It's got to be in my house for a month. So anyway, I'll open this up and tell you exactly what I have here. What's the date on here? Do I have a date on here? Yeah, 10/21/2021. So the day is November the 10th. So they sent this. I ordered this on 10/21, October 23rd. So it's been almost. It seems like it's been longer than that. But let's do an unboxing here. All right. First thing I got, some Madagascar vanilla beans. That's gonna be coming up pretty soon in Christmas time. Definitely gonna use these vanilla beans, y'all. I got me some vanilla extract. You send me little sample bottles out of this stuff. I got some butter pecan flavoring, like I was telling y'all about that they had carried. Okay, what else we got here? I got some orange cream flavor, like orange cream soda. Some vanilla bean paste, which is amazing. And this here, I specifically asked for this one here, y'all. Because this Christmas time, I'm going to try to make some fruit cake. And you got that dried fruit mix, which you use in fruit cake. And I'm going to make a fruit cake. People have been asking me about fruit cakes, so I make them. So I'm going to definitely make one, and I'm going to use this item here. Look, they have this is only 5 items that I picked. Could have picked an exorbitant amount of other ones. But I told them just send me some little sample ones out. I'm going to open this here. I'm going to open this pecan flavor, because this is one I really, really love. Butter pecan. You know, make that butter pecan cake. Let's see here. They got this thing sealed to the brim, which is good here. Oh, wow. This smells amazing, y'all. I wish y'all could smell. I wish you had smell-o-vision. Look at that. Of course, the bottles will be bigger than this. They just sent me a little sample bottles out, like I asked them. Just to, to check it out and cook with it, which I definitely am. In fact, let me open the vanilla. That tells the tale. A real vanilla. That's orange cream. Got the vanilla right here. I know I use vanilla extract so much when everything I bake. I got vanilla in it. We all use a lot of vanilla. Let's smell this one, see how it smells. Oh my God, this is so amazing. One more, I'm opening. Matter of fact, I'm gonna open them all up, y'all. Just smell them. Vanilla bean paste, which is amazing. This is a thicker, you know, the paste is, see how thick that is? And this is good when you make creme brulee and puddings. Banana pudding, that'd be definitely good in. I got one more here, the orange cream flavor. Like, you know, the orange soda, orange cream soda. Let's check this one out here, see how it smells. Oh wow, it smells just like orange cream soda. Smells just like it. So I'm gonna have to get creative with that one there. But like I was telling y'all, there's a 20% discount code, and the code is OSSF, which stands for Old School Soul Food 20. OSSF 20, meaning Old School Soul Food 20% off. They were very creative with the discount code, right? That's the code you put in to get the 20%. OutofNation.com. They're an awesome company, been around a long time. Like I say, they have so many products. If you really are avid cook like me, this is the site. I'm telling you, if you go on their website and you really love cooking, you really love flavors and nuts and oils and flours and things like that, you're really in the kitchen a lot, you'll stay on this website an hour, I'm telling you, looking at everything that they offer. So anyway, I just want to share this with y'all. Some people say, oh, you over there, all you doing commercials. Reason I do this, that person that commented there don't even have a clue. So many people reach out to me. Where I buy this? Where I get this? What pan do I get? Where I buy this pan? Where I buy that pan? I will never promote nothing on here that I don't use. Y'all see me use the pan. Y'all see me use the equipment that I ask y'all to that I share with y'all on these things. Cause I don't use it. I'm not gonna ask y'all to use it. It's not fair. I'm not like that. I'm not money hungry like that. That's not me. But then people say, oh, you this turning into a commercialized. No, I share with y'all. I get these questions all the time. Where I buy this, where I get this, what I use for this, what equipment I use for this. That's why I share. Those individuals that don't like it, hey, just don't watch the video. Maybe this is not for you. So anyway, another Old School Soul Foods deal of the week in the books. It's the holiday season. I know y'all using a lot. I know I am. The next 6 weeks, gonna be a lot of baking going on in my kitchen right here. A lot of pies and cakes, and I got an awesome crescent roll recipe. It's amazing that I use for Thanksgiving and Christmas, and I'm gonna share that with y'all probably next week. It's gonna be in the next 10 days. It's gonna be before Thanksgiving. A crescent roll recipe that I have never put out. I never shared with y'all. It's awesome, buttery, awesome crescent roll. So y'all need to stay tuned for that. If you're new to the channel, sit back, get to know each other. We're all one big happy family here. Welcome to the channel. I just went over 100,000 subscribers. So the channel is really going to blow up even more. Once you get over 100,000, YouTube really pushes you out there. So we're going to have a lot of new people on board. Y'all welcome each other and just, you know, one big happy family. So anyway, let me close this video out like I close every video. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. I read every comment. I will acknowledge every comment. Unless I happen to scroll by and miss it somehow. But you can look on my channel. If I might not comment with you, but I will give you a thumbs up and a heart to acknowledge you and respect that you took time to put a comment. And I will respect that I read it. And it's just that's just the country in me. When somebody say good morning or good evening or something to you, you acknowledge it back. That's a sign of respect. That's just the old country boy in me. So yeah, please comment. I read every comment. You can also email me. I will respond to every email. People don't know. That's me responding to the email. If you have a question or a concern, email me at chefjeff@oldschoolsoulfood.com. I promise you, I will respond to every email. You can ask anyone on here to be a witness. I will email you back if you have some questions or concerns. That's just the way I am. So anyway, Chef Jeff at Old School. I don't say that enough. My email address, even though it's on the description of my end of every video subscription, it's on there if you ever want to get a hold of me. And then I have my Old School Soul Food number. I don't even say enough. 281-345-8991. That's my direct line to my Old School Soul Food office. If you can leave a message, I'm not good by returning calls within a reasonable time. Might be 2 or 3 days before I can get to it. But most time we'll call you back. Sometimes I'll have somebody, kind of screening a mess. Cause I get some crazy people calling too. So that's part of being in the public. Everybody ain't just happy-go-lucky when they call me and leave messages and stuff like that. But yeah, 281-345-8991. That is my direct Old School Soul Food number to my office. And if I'm not answering, just leave a message. But anyway, I don't put that information out enough. My team say people don't know how to get a hold of you. Don't put the information out enough. So all that's on my channel too. So anyway, if you like this video, please share, please subscribe. I've been through that, huh? Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. And next year we're going to be really focusing on Twitch TV and TikTok. Like I told them at my meet and greet, of course y'all might didn't hear that. But TikTok and Twitch TV, I'm going to really be focusing hard on those 2 social media accounts and get them to grow. Because Twitch TV is mostly a gaming channel, has a few cooking channels on there, but not a lot. I really want to get in there and get my feet wet and get in the beginning of it and let this channel grow on TikTok. So if you don't have not TikTok, well, TikTok too, but Twitch TV. If you don't have a Twitch TV account, open one up there. I already have an account set up. Go over there and just search for Old School Soul Food on Twitch TV. And I definitely will be uploading videos in January and TikTok in January. That's on my to-do list next year once I get through this busy season. So anyway, lots of good stuff coming in the next fall. Of course, the cookbook will come out in October 2022. I have an awesome cookbook coming out with everything y'all already done. You just have it in print, and you can share with your family and friends as gifts or whatever. If you ever see me in person, I would definitely sign it for you. And if you get them, where I can, of course, it'll be on Amazon, a lot of them. But if you ever see me in person or whatever, I'll definitely sign it for you. So anyway, I love talking. Like I say, I'll get to rambling on. I just want to get all the information out. So anyway, until next time, remember the hashtag this year, 2021, help somebody Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.